Hello everyone, welcome to this video of Make and Assemble Sliding Flat Plane Surfaces. In this video, we will gain an understanding of taps, reamers and their parts. Additionally, we will learn practical skills to make and assemble sliding flat plane surfaces.
Hand taps are used for internal threading of components. They are made from high carbon steel or high-speed steel, hardened and ground. Threads are cut on the surface and are accurately finished. To form the cutting edges, the flutes are cut across the thread. For holding and turning the taps while cutting threads, the ends of the shanks are squared. The end of threaded body of the taps are chamfered, taper-led, for assisting, aligning and starting of the thread. The size of the taps, the type of the thread and pitch are usually marked. Generally, circles are marked to indicate the types of taps. One circle, first tap or taper tap is to start the thread. Two circles, second tap or intermediate tap. Three circles, plug tap or bottoming tap or finishing tap is used to finish the threads of a blind hole to the correct depth. These taps are identical in all features except in the taper lead angle. Tap wrenches are used to align and drive the hand taps correctly into the hole to be threaded. Tap wrenches are of different types. Double-ended adjustable tap wrench or bar type tap wrench. This is the most commonly used type of tap wrench. It is available in various sizes. These tap wrenches are more suitable for large diameter taps and can be used in open places where there is no obstruction to turn the tap. It is important to select the correct size of wrench. T-handle tap wrench. These are small adjustable chucks with two jaws and a handle to turn the wrench. This tap wrench is useful to work in restricted places and is turned with one hand only. This wrench is not available for holding large diameter taps. Solid type tap wrench. These wrenches are not adjustable. They can take only certain sizes of taps. This eliminates the use of a wrong length of the tap wrenches and thus prevents damage to the taps. What is a reamer? A reamer is a multi-point cutting tool used for enlarging by finishing previously drilled holes to accurate sizes. Reamers are classified as hand reamers. Reaming by using hand reamers is done manually, for which great skill is needed. Hand reamers have straight shanks with square at the end for holding with tap wrenches. Machine reamers are fitted on spindles of machine tools and rotated for reaming. They are provided with Morse taper shanks for holding on machine spindles. Parts of a hand reamer. Axis, the longitudinal center line of the reamer. Body, the portion of the reamer extending from the entering end of the reamer to the commencement of the shank. Recess, the portion of the body which is reduced in diameter below the cutting edges, pilot or guide diameters. Shank, the portion of the reamer which is held and driven. It can be parallel or taper. Circular land, the cylindrically ground surface adjacent to the cutting edge on the leading edge of the land. Bevel lead, the bevel lead cutting portion at the entering end of the reamer, cutting its way into the hole. It is not provided with a circular land. Taper lead, the tapered cutting portion at the entering end to facilitate cutting and finishing of the hole. Bevel lead angle, the angle formed by the cutting edges of the bevel lead and the reamer axis. Taper lead angle, the angle formed by the cutting edges of the taper and the reamer axis. Terms relating to cutting geometry. Flutes, the grooves in the body of the reamer to provide cutting edges, to permit the removal of chips and to allow the cutting fluid to reach the cutting edges. Heel, the edge formed by the intersection of the surface left by the provision of a secondary clearance and the flute. Cutting edge, the edge formed by the intersection of the face and the circular land or the surface left by the provision of primary clearance. Face, the portion of the flute surface adjacent to the cutting edge on which the chip impinges as it is cut from the work. Rake angles, the angles in a diametral plane formed by the face and a radial line from the cutting edge. Clearance angle, the angles formed by the primary or secondary clearances and the tangent to the periphery of the reamer at the cutting edge. Helix angle, the angle between the edge and the reamer axis. Moving on to make and assemble sliding flat plane surfaces. File job for part 1, 2, 3 and 4 to size and shape as per drawing. Apply marking media on part 2 and 3. And mark to locate the dowel pin holes, countersink screw holes as per drawing. Assemble and clamp part 1, 2, 3 and 4 together in drilling machine table with parallel clamps. Fix diameter 3.8 mm drill in drilling machine spindle. Through drill chuck and drill through hole. Fix diameter 4 mm hand reamer in tap wrench and ream the drilled hole to fix diameter 4 mm dowel pin without disturbing the assembly setting. Clean the reamed hole and insert diameter 4 mm dowel pin. Similarly, drill holes for other 3 dowel pin holes one by one and ream the drilled holes one by one and fix the dowel pins without disturbing the assembly. Fix diameter 4.2 mm drill in drilling machine spindle through drill chuck and drill holes for tap drill holes for fixing countersink screws in assembly without disturbing the setting. Separate the assembly parts 1, 2, 3 and 4 and chamfer the tapping holes both ends in part 1 using countersink tool. Hold part 1 in bench-wise. Drill free hole diameter 5.5 for countersink screw on part 2 and 3 and countersink the hole to seat countersunk head screw. Cut internal thread using M5 hand tap and tap wrench. Clean the thread without burrs. Assemble part 1, 2, 3 and 4 as per job drawing along with dowel pins and countersink screws. Fit and slide part 4 in the assembly. Disassemble all the parts from assembly. Finish file on the surface of part 1, 2, 3 and 4 and remove burrs in the corners of the job. Reassemble all the parts together as per job drawing. Apply thin film of oil and preserve it for evaluation.
In this video, we learnt about taps and reamers, practical skills to make and assemble sliding, flat, plane surfaces. Thank you for watching.